Hello everyone, Fabio Santos here with another homework, and this is the full tutorial, so let's break it down in few parts. I have put this line here, as you can see, very typical for a Brazilian flip-flop. So I'm gonna try to do everything of this move on this side first, and then I switch to the other side. It's very important for you to understand. So first, esquiva recuada, so I'm going to this side of the line. So I'm gonna start on the line, step, esquiva recuada. I'm gonna shift my weight, keeping my head low, all the way to the other side. So now the back leg is gonna go up. But first I'm gonna place my hands and I'm still on this side of the line. Change, here. The next step is I wanna maintain this gap between my legs. So nice and wide. And I'm gonna fall sideways. So I'm gonna slide my hand as much as I can. And the key point is to maintain this leg completely straight. So straight the leg, I'm on my toes so I can lean onto my elbow. So that's the queda de rins. And note that the gap maintained from the legs. Now I'm gonna slide the leg to this side of the line. I want you to slide and then bend. I'm not trying to jump and I'm not trying to bend and push. To make it look nice, keep the leg straight, use this hand and just slide as close as you can to your toes so I can drop my leg. And note my hips is this way. I'm gonna try to turn my hip completely to the front before I stand up. From here you got options to do the rolê, to stand up, but I nice to use the support of my hand and my leg to get back up. So I can push forwards, up to the ginga or do wherever. Of course, you can just stand up without the hand, but that brings a lot of pressure on your knees. And for those that have already weak knees or have had surgeries like myself, I try to preserve my knees. So when I'm on this position here, it's fine. Remember to slide the leg as close as you can to the floor without moving the top leg. So this leg's not moving. I like to bend just for expression, but you can keep it straight if you want. So I bend, bring it in on my toes. I push the leg. If you wanna do it from here, you can, but if you're too far as well, you're gonna struggle to get back up. So my other suggestion is to bring this leg close from the start. So from here, you can bring it in, bring it close, so it's easier for you to stand up. And from here, I can do rolê that way. I can extend my leg. I can place my foot flat. It's more, is easier for me to stand up. Does that make sense? And from here, I can do the ginga. I'm gonna keep the line there so you can see that I start on this side and I go to the other side now with a little bit more momentum. So, esquiva, 1, and then go. And if you want to look at even more floaty, I'm gonna drop the leg and slide without putting my foot completely on the floor. So I show you what that means. So, but for me to do this, I need to be able to do it in stage. So if there is any part of the stage that I'm struggling, I can just work on that part separately before I can slide. Okay, and for me to slide the leg, I already need to go over to the other side. So from here, 1, 2. If I'm gonna slide first, I lean, my leg still on the other side of the line, and then I bring over to do it. But because I do this faster, it doesn't look like that I change on the other side. So from here, there, everything this side, and then go. Again, guys, this is preference. I like it that way because make the movement a bit more dynamic and more expression bigger. Some people, they do like a cartwheel over to the other side. They do this. So from here, instead of landing on this side, they go on this side. But look that my legs are already closed because I crossed the line. So it doesn't look as dynamic in my point of view. Choose which one you like most. You know now how to do all of them. So feel free to join the school flow to see other tutorials like this one. All you have to do is click the link on the description and join completely free of charge. See you soon.